So hello mga ka-planet, I'm Yan and this is my partner.
Hello, I'm Ben.
So in this video, we're going to talk about ellipse. And our main objective is that you will able to know the parts of an ellipse, solve and graph an ellipse, and convert standard to general form of an ellipse.
So mga ka-planet, alam niyo ba kung anong ellipse? An ellipse is a set of points in a plane creating an oval curve shape such as the sum of the distances from any point on the curve to the two fixed point is constant. Alam niyo ba na ang ellipse ay may two types? Yes, and that is horizontal and vertical ellipse.
So paano nga ba natin malalaman kung ang ellipse ay horizontal or vertical? Malalaman niyo yan mamaya. But first, let me discuss the parts of the ellipse para mas madaling mag-graph at mag-solve nito.
So, each type of ellipse has these main parts: center, major axis, minor axis, and foci. So, ka-planet, i-discuss ko sa inyo to isa-isa. So, first is the center. The point in the middle of the ellipse is called the center and is named HK. So, ka-planet, kung sa parabola, ito yung vertex. Or, kung sa circle naman, ito yung center. From the word center, ito yung gitna ng ating ellipse. Major axis is the line that runs through the center of the ellipse the long way. The variable a is later used to name the distance from the center to the ellipse on the major axis. Its endpoint is called vertices. So, from the word major, ito yung mahabang line sa ating ellipse. Minor axis, on the other hand, is perpendicular to the major axis and runs through the center the short way. The variable b is the letter used to name the distance to the ellipse from the center on the minor axis. Because the major axis is always longer than the minor one, a is greater than b. Its endpoint is called co-vertices. So from the word minor, ito yung short na line sa ating ellipse. And the last is the foci. Foci are the 2 points that dictate how fat or how skinny the ellipse is. They are always located on the major axis and can be found by the following equation. C equals to the square root of a squared minus b squared. So anong nakikita mong difference sa horizontal at vertical equation? Yes, yung a squared. Pag horizontal, yung a squared is denominator siya ng x. Pag vertical naman, yung a squared is denominator siya ng y. So, paano naman natin malalaman yung a squared? Very simple lang, ka-planet. Just always remember na yung greater denominator, siya yung a squared palagi. So, here are the variables we use to solve an ellipse. A, the distance from center to vertex. B, distance from center to an endpoint of a minor axis. C, distance from center to focus. So, paano pag tinanong ka ng what is the length or what is the distance? Just simply multiply it by 2. Note that A is always greater than B, and also A is greater than C. So, ka-planet, this is the formula we use to solve for foci.
C is equals to the square root of a squared minus b squared.
Now, it's time to solve for this equation.
So ka-planet, first let us identify the ellipse. Ano ba siya? Horizontal or vertical? Yes, it's horizontal. It's because the denominator of x is greater than y. So, let's first find the center. Center, which is HK. So, what is our HK? Yes, it's 0, 0. Now, let's find for our A.
a squared is equals to 25. Since we only need a, what is the square root of 25? Yes, it's 5. Same goes to our b squared, which is 9. But we only need b, so what is the square root of 9? 3. So now, let's solve for our foci. So, c equals to square root of a squared minus b squared is equals to, let's just substitute. So 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is equals to 16. So what is the square root of 16? Yes, it's 4. So now our center is 0, 0. Here is it. Then our a is 5. So count lang tayo ng 5 dito kasi horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero ito na. Then dito din sa right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sa ating co-vertices is 3. Dito. 1, 2, 3. O dito. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, yung foci natin. Which is 4. Dito, 4, 4. So, tapos, lagyan na natin kung ano tong point na to. So, here is our center, our vertices, our co-vertices, and our foci.
Converting standard equation to general form. Hi mga ka-planet! So today, I'm going to teach you how to convert standard equation of ellipse to general form. Pero bago nyan, alamin muna natin kung ano ang general form ng ellipse. The general form of ellipse: ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus a is equals to 0. Convert the standard equation of ellipse: quantity y minus 2 squared over 25 plus quantity of x minus 3 squared over 9 equals to 1 to general form. Ito ang given equation natin. Ang una natin gagawin ay hahanapin natin ang LCD ng 25 at 9. So, ang LCD ng 25 at 9 ay 225. So, ang 225, i-multiply natin sa lahat ng terms na nandito. So, ngayon, isi-simplify natin sila. So, ang 225, i-divide mo siya sa 25. So, magiging 9. 9. Quantity of y minus 2 squared plus ang 225, i-divide mo siya sa 9. So, magiging 25. Quantity of x minus 3 squared equals to, ang 225, ita-times mo siya or i-multiply mo siya sa 1. Magiging 225. Tapos natin siyang i-simplify, i-expand natin siya. So, 9 quantity of y squared negative, copy the sign, magiging 4 to 2 squared, magiging 4y plus 4. Ganito din sa kabila. 25. Quantity of x squared negative, pasensya na, negative 6y, hindi kasya, so dito, plus 9 equals to 225. Expanding square of binomial, gagawin naman natin yung distributive property. So, distribute natin ang 9 at ang 25. So, ito, ang 9 magiging 9y squared. Dahil i-multiply mo siya isa-isa. Copy the sign. Negative 9 times 4 magiging 36. Y plus 9 times 4 magiging 36 na lang siya. Copy the sign. 25 times x squared magiging 25 x squared. Tapos 25 times 6 magiging negative 150x plus, ito lang sa ilalim ilalagay, hindi nakasya, plus 25 times 9 magiging 225 na lang siya. Equals to, copy, 225. I-arrange muna natin siya para maging 0 to yung sa kabila. So ganito yung nangyari. Transpose ko siya dito sa kabila para maging 0 dito at naging negative siya. I-simplify muna natin to dahil meron pa tayong 225 to 225 rin and 36. So, isi-simplify muna natin. So, in-arrange ko muna siya. Ang 36, nilagay ko na dito. Dahil sa sinunod ko yung general form natin kanina, pinakita ko nung una. So, isi-simplify na natin. Itong dalawang to, ang 225, negative 224 minus 225, magiging 0 na to, hindi na to kasali. So, ito na lang yung natitira. Ito na lang yung matitira. Ito na lang yung natira. Pwede na natin siyang i-arrange ulit to general form. So, after arranging, ito na yung final natin na general form. 25x squared plus 9y squared negative or minus 150x minus 36y plus 36 is equals to 0. So, ito na yung general form of ellipse.
Mga ka-baby! Welcome to my vlog! Char! Alam ko naman hindi akong baby.